To factory reset your Windows 11 without losing data, click this Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, select System. Under System, scroll down and click on Recovery, Reset. And here, click on Reset PC. And choose an option. Here we have to select Keep My Files, removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. So select this first option. And now, how would you like to reinstall Windows? Select Cloud Download, or you can select Local Reinstall. So I'm selecting this option, and now click on Next. Here we can see ready to reset this PC. Resetting will change settings back to their defaults, keep personal files, reinstall Windows from this device, remove all apps and programs. You can click on View Apps that will be removed, and then here you will get the list of those apps gonna be deleted completely after resetting your PC. Then click on Back, and now just click on Reset, and that's how you will be able to factory reset your computer without losing your personal data and files. Thanks for watching.